Hi everybody. Today I'll be doing an icy cool tone makeup look as part of the Keeping It Real Fun collab group. The ladies in this collab group are all doing Snow Queen, Ice Queen, cool tone, icy type looks. So for my look, I'm going to be using this BeBella Life in Pastels palette. It has a lot of pastel shades in it and some icy looking shimmery glittery shades that I'm gonna have fun playing with. Okay, my foundation is already on and my brows are done, so we can get right into trying to create this look. I don't know what I'm gonna do and how it's gonna turn out, but we shall see. Since my crown has shades of teal and white and light blue, I want to use some of those, but I also want to incorporate some pink or, something. So let's see. Let's start off with this blue shade right here. Okay, not too bad so far. I don't have any icicles or anything like that. I wanted a really icy looking tiara, but I didn't have time to go get one or make one. So I'm just going with what I have already. Okay. Now let me go for a cooler tone, a lighter shade of teal blue to go up here. Okay, now I want to add some pink. Nice light pink shade, pastel pink. Put that up here. We're just playing around, having fun with our pale pastel colors. And sparkle. Who doesn't like sparkle? Okay, that's the starting point. Now here comes the fun part. The sparkly blue shade right here. See how it looks. Oh, pretty. Look at that. Put some of that on here. Oh. Okay. That's pretty icy. Okay, yeah, I like that. Okay. Now I'd like to mix that in with a little bit of this pink, purplish, sparkly tone over here. That's this one. Has kind of a shift. So let's put that right here. Oh, pretty. Okay. All right. Now I want to put some of that underneath my lash line too. If I can get it to work with this brush. Let's see. Okay. All right. See how that looks. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough sparkle on the eyes for now. But I would also like to jazz up the cheeks. So I'm going to start off with this pale pink shade up in the corner. See what I can do with that. It's very powdery. Okay. Not putting a lot of color on my cheeks, so let's go with the sparkle. I like this shade right here. This one is very sparkly and it's iridescent and has a shift. So we're going to play with that one. I'm going to use this as a highlighter. Wow. You can kind of see that pink and blue type of shift in there. Purpley kind of. Okay. Am I sparkling yet? There we go. Yeah, this is fun. Get a little bit more. Just a little brown here. Okay. How about that? Icy enough yet? Okay, I see lots of sparkle. So let's see what else we can do here. Okay, for lips, I'm going to do something kind of pale pink. Let's see. This Urban Decay lipstick. This is matte, so I have to add some sparkle. I'm going to use this iridescent, sparkly, icy makeup product. I think this is for lips or eyes. Let's see. See how this is going to turn out. Ooh, yeah, that's very white. It's iridescent too. Okay. I think I want to add some more of this pink sparkle on top of this. Now I'll put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. Now to add a little bit more icy drama, I'm going to use this liner. That's a bright, shiny, like a bright whitish gold. So we're going to use this just for the sake of adding drama. And a little more sparkle. Okay, a little bit more on the other side. Okay. And a little bit under my brow. Yeah, that brightens things up. Okay, so here's my icy cool tone makeup look. Heavy on the eyes. I hope you had as much fun with this as I did. And don't forget to check out the other ladies. I'll leave the link to their videos in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.